Hi everyone, it's Anne, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back to show this really fun loaded suitcase that was such a hot item in the crafty community this year and has been on my bucket list for a while, and I finally got to create it. I'm super excited to come and share what it looks like and how I decorated mine. I followed a tutorial from Jen Cassell, and I'll leave links down below. Her tutorial really walks you through the paper sizes, and yeah, it was very simple to make. But my inspiration and how I wanted to decorate it was from Melissa, who's the Vintage Goose here on YouTube and Instagram. She had created a Maggie Holmes suitcase, and I just fell in love. So let me show you my suitcase. So I did mix collections. I used the Mente Sweetest Christmas collection and the Prima Santa Baby, only because I really wanted to stay with the pinks and mints. And I love how this came out. So there is still some like traditional reds in here because it is a Christmas suitcase. I did line the backs with the minty paper, and then I took that mint tool from Hobby Lobby with the foiled polka dots, and I thought I'd like give that extra texture. I contemplated making a shaker, but then went against it only because I didn't want the structure of the suitcase to be compromised by sequins. So I think I like the way that it turned out. These bows are from My Creative Time, and I just double layered them like Melissa did, and I think they came out super cute. I did the enclosure of the straps with some Dollar Tree, what are these called? Velcro dots. Sorry, brain fart. And yeah, I'll just open this up, and this is what it looks like inside. So I did create a deep pocket only because I wanted this suitcase to hold several embellishments. I wanted to be functional and hold some of the stuff that I had created. I put some goodies in here. We have some jammies. These are some embellishments that I'd shown in a previous video. Loving this collection, and that's it. That's been moving around, but that is some shaker envelopes, and this is how I decorated the inside. I did lay a scene from the Mente Sweetest Christmas collection. This deep pocket is with 110-pound cardstock, and I just did a little Merry Christmas, layered Merry Christmas, put some stickers, this little butterfly resin piece from Allie, and the Santa from the Mente collection. And then in this pocket, I have other goodies. I have a little mini tag flip. I was very inspired by Bona, who's Live Love Scraps here on YouTube, and she had created these Christmas tree nesting tag flip, and this one I just went around the edges with some liquid pearl, and it's very simple, but you know, I thought it'd be cute just to put on top. These are my shaker stockings, and I just added some goodies for her, some beautiful poinsettias. And then these are another embellishment that I'd shown in a previous video, my star embellishment. And then this is the inside. I just took another scene from the Mente collection. I really didn't know how to use it. I'm not a big scrapbooker, but I thought this was perfect just to lay on the inside. So it portrays that Christmas feel. So I'm just going to put this back. And that is it for my project share, you guys. I hope that you find inspiration. I hope you like it. I know I do. And I had a lot of fun creating it. And I will see you in the next video, everyone. Have a good one. Bye.